Yeah, letting them eat their ice cream. Emmy, eat the ice cream. Upload this on Facebook. Hey y'all, look at JR, you walking y'all. Okay, this is what you call real life. D over there, he sleep. Fish tank over there, one of the fishes died. Kylie tore his bike, shit like that.
Shut your mouth up.
Shut my mouth up. Why you talking like that to daddy? What I do? Trying to shut your mouth up.
Shut. I said, bro, chill. Shut your butt up. Emmie,
Shut your butt up.
Eat your ice cream.
You don't know what you gonna say, do you, Stink? Look at her. I love a little stinker butt. Look at a little stinker butt. Look at stinker butt. Hey, stinker butt. Look, you turn the ice cream up. Who are you looking at like that? That's my little stink. That's what I'm in the midst of doing. You talking about going to Maryland? Wait, all this is already in the making, man. You think I'm saving? You know, I'm doing? Yeah. Moves, man, moves. That's all it is. About moves, bro. Power move. I got Emmy and Kylie. Look at that.
Popcorn.
That's the aunt and the auntie, huh?
What kind of popcorn? It gotta be certain kind.
Nah, they got that popcorn right there. You see Emmy doing it off her ice cream. Look, tearing the popcorn up. Think she be eating this? Think good? What you talking about? Oh. Tell them to fall back off your ice cream. Say, look, you're doing too much. Look, see my daughter got look. I'm not going. Yeah. It's that kid stuff, right? It's baby stuff. Look at this. She just so adorable.
I'm just thinking your kids be going crazy over fucking what's that shit called? Ice cream truck.
Of course. You hear them? Look at that little thing. You hear that? This is the niece, and this is the aunt. They are. Look.
Ugly.
Hey, yo, look, she's on the phone with James in the morning, right? And James said she's ugly, so yeah. He said, but she's cool with her that. Like, Scotty told her, like, yeah, keep ugly with the face on. Face.